Hey everybody, it's Aaron at Rich and Sons. Today for our RV tip, I'm going to talk about slide outs. I came over from our service department. I spent 5 years there. One thing that I always noticed, a couple things, is sealants. Customers just sealing their campers around the windows, tracks, trims, things like that. Not a lot of people do it. Another thing is just slide outs. Like I always tell customers, you're out camping, you've got some downtime, you're hanging out, relaxing. You can pick these up over at our parts department. One is a slide out. It's a rubber seal conditioner. Like I said, it doesn't take very long to do these type of things. You just pop the lid off and just spray your rubber directly on it. If you don't do this throughout time, from the heat, the sun, these can deteriorate down. A couple bad things is that you can allow water. They can shrink. You get water inside your camper. Plus, it's just expensive. I mean, you're talking hundreds of dollars to get those replaced. So a can of this is $12, so it just makes sense. One thing I said, just stay on top of that. They always say do it about 2 to 3 times a year. Do it at least a couple times a year. You're going to be ahead of the game. So another thing is the slide out lubricant. You have all different types of slide outs. On this Springdale, it actually is going to have the rail system on here. So if you look up underneath, you got a couple of the rails there that move up in and out. This slide out lubricant, I've had people talk. It's kind of like a gun cleaner, gun grease, kind of the same consistency. You're not going to get dirt and stuff to stick to it. But if you just spray the top of that rail there, that's just one less thing, less friction, less wear and tear on the motor. So a can of this is $13. So like I said, a couple inexpensive ways to save you hundreds of dollars and just make your camping experience that much better. Slide outs will be working a lot better. But like I said, slide out rubber seal conditioner, and then the slide out lubricant. Like I said, you can pick them up at our parts department. If you have any questions on this stuff, hit us up and we can help you walk through it. So thanks guys, have a good day.